Alright, y'all, what's going on? As y'all can see, we is on the goddamn POV camera. 2 hands on the wheel, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, finna get y'all a little POV in right quick. I ain't gonna cap, the engine is not warm. I just cut my car on, so I can't do too much right now, but we got a pretty long ride ahead of us, so we gonna have some time to hit that bit. But yeah, y'all was telling me I should get a camera like this so I could drive safer and questionably more faster. But I mean, nigga, I don't even drive with 2 hands on the wheel. It's just like, it's just hard as hell to drive with a phone in your hand, I swear. Like, this shit already feel better. I'm not gonna cap. Y'all, I'm in Mexico right now. There is no speed limit here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, hopefully this bitch warm up before I get on the E-way. Cause if it's not heated up by the time I get on the E-way, that's gonna be a problem. Even though I think it will be. But yeah, it needs to be. Y'all, this road right here, bro, if you coming down this bitch at night, oh, you gotta have them brights on. Cause if a deer pop out on your ass, oh, I don't even know what to tell you, twin. But me, I ain't gonna cap. If a deer pop up on my ass, I'm in that beanski, nigga. So I'm finna swerve and I'm finna be straight. I'm gonna swerve out the way and swerve my ass back into the right lane. What the fuck is you talking about? But yeah, bro, let me know what kind of videos I should do. It could be car videos. Just let me know what y'all wanna see, bro, and I'm gonna drop that shit. You know what I'm saying? Whatever y'all want, bro. And if you still watching this bitch, it's only been like 2 minutes, so you better still be watching this shit. If you still watching this shit, comment and like the video right now. Do y'all shop at Walmart or do y'all shop at Publix, bro? Cause I know Walmart stuff be cheaper, but I feel like Publix got better quality stuff, you feel me? So it's just whatever. For me, it's just like whatever I'm feeling like. Do I want to spend that bread or do I want that good shit? I mean, Walmart shit is still good. It's really all the same shit, but it just be cheaper. So you were thinking that the quality would be somewhat, I don't know what word I'm trying to think of, but we finna get on the goddamn highway, man. You know what I'm saying? We finna get on a goddamn highway. This shit finna be too lit. Oh shit, there go the police. I don't know about today, y'all boys. I don't know. They might be outside sitting today. If they outside sitting, say goodbye. That boy is definitely sitting right there, waiting on his next victim. It's not finna be me. You leave me alone. Damn, them boys might be outside sitting. It is early. On a goddamn highway. Y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a night POV one day. So I can really slide. Cause if y'all watch my last video, I literally just got a ticket, bro, and I'm not trying to pay for another one. So, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a night POV one day, because these roads at night be fun. But I ain't gonna lie, I need some more ambient lighting in here so I could, like, I don't know, I feel like it'll just make everything better, you know what I'm saying? Y'all boys, I'm really cooling. I'm not even on no crazy shit, but I fuck with highways like this where the speed limit be 70, because you can really slide. What the hell is that? I ain't getting that shit under my car. I'm really not even pushing it. I'm just cooling. You know what I'm saying? And make sure y'all boys, like, if y'all on the highway, bro, I know sometimes you just be in that mode, bro, where you just want to slide the fuck out that bitch. But I mean, the best time to slide is when you with friends, bro. That's the best time, cause you don't feel any pressure. You know what I'm saying? But I mean, I ain't gonna cap, like, y'all boys, like, after you get a ticket, bro, that shit make you drive different for a little minute, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Shit. I mean, it is what it is, bro. It ain't nothing, but I just don't feel like keep getting tickets. And that state trooper sitting out there, he scared me. I ain't gonna cap, cause usually them niggas don't be. Damn, what the fuck they got going on out there, man? And it's raining. Y'all, this might turn into a rain POV. And I got my traction off. Traction off in the rain. Y'all, if it start pouring, I'm cutting that traction back on. Should I bust through there? Yo, he gonna do it first. He gonna do it first. What? Oh, he just got in front of over here. He just crossed his ass over. Hell is you doing? He said, get your ass back over here, nigga. Bro, it's just... Yeah, get out of my way, young nigga. Get out of my way, young nigga. Y'all, like, I know this road like the back of my hand, like, you know what I'm saying? I took this highway 1,000 times. I know where they be sitting at. I know where they don't be sitting at. But it's just like, I don't know. But yeah, y'all boys, we just goddamn chilling. You know what I'm saying? It's raining. I really wanted to start raining more, but really like a little bit closer to when I get to my destination, so I don't have to worry about driving in the rain and all that extra shit. Cause who the fuck really want to drive in the rain? Let's be honest. Let's be honest. But like, you know, when you be in your house and shit, the rain really be a vibe for real. Like, you can just chill. You know what I'm saying? That shit be a vibe. I ain't gonna cap. Police be sitting right there sometimes. Why is this nigga on my ass? Now I gotta leave his ass. Yeah, now he wanna come back over here. Yeah, come back, nigga. Bro, I just hate when niggas ride on my ass, especially when you ain't in no fast shit. Like, at least if I know you in some fast shit and you riding on my ass, you probably want some smoke, like. But I mean, that nigga, like, he didn't want no smoke, bro. He just wanted to ride on my ass, because I guess he thought I was driving slow. I really wasn't driving slow. But I mean, maybe that's what he thought. But fuck what that nigga thinks, you know what I'm saying? Fuck what all these niggas think. Him, you know what I'm saying? These three fucking cars right here, especially that red one. Fuck them niggas. You know what I'm saying? That's how it go today, bro. You know what I'm saying? Don't give a fuck about what nobody say, bro. You know what you got going on, you know what I'm saying? This nigga come back up here, so I'm finna leave it. This is why I be getting in trouble, cuz I be playing around with niggas in traffic. We don't even be on shit. Yeah, 141 miles. What we started this shit at, like 153? I think it was like 150 something. Something like that. I don't know, bro. Only thing I don't like too much is I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. I'm finna get off right here. They go to, I see the police lights all the way over there. Them boys is slick outside today, not go cap. But I'm really off the E-way, so I'm really straight. See, y'all, I really abide by the speed limit, you know what I'm saying? I'm really a very safe driver when it comes to this driving stuff, you feel me? But this was just like a little chill POV, you feel me? One day, I'm gonna do a wild ass POV. I'm gonna be sliding the fuck out of that bitch, but you feel me? Today just ain't the day, bro, cause too many police is out, and I know y'all don't want to see me go to jail, so y'all spare me this one time. But I was still pulling that bitch, and I was really sliding on the E-way. I ain't gonna cap, it do be police over here. That's one thing about when y'all sliding, y'all boys. Y'all gotta know y'all spots, bro. I mean, unless you just don't give a fuck, you feel me? I mean, I don't give a fuck either, cause you know it's fuck 12, but like, you know what I mean? Still, bro, like, fuck, bro. You still gotta know your spots, bro. But I mean, you can still know your spots and still get fucked up. Shit, I'm driving slow as shit right now because that's just what I want to do. But now I'm finna drive fast. Yo, that bitch got up quick. Not gonna cap. Break it down. A pull a day keeps the rod knock away, you feel me? So if y'all on a car with paddle shifters or a goddamn gear shifter, you could, yeah, you feel me? What you want to do is step one, you want to take your car, you want to hit the downshift once, hit it again, hit it again, hit it again, hit it again, hit it again if you can. Then you want to smash that bitch. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you keep your car from fucking up. Because y'all know it. If y'all don't drive y'all car how it's supposed to be driven, that junk gonna mess up. You cannot baby a sports car or a muscle car, you feel me? If you baby it, it's gonna get fucked up. You gotta drive it how it's supposed to be driven. And what that entails is hitting pulls every day, second gear pulls every day, 0 to 60 launch control launches, donuts every day, redlining every shift, you know, like simple stuff like that. Just that, you know what I'm saying? What's up with all these big ass trucks on the road today? Let me get over here, twin. Y'all, let me know, bro. Do niggas say twin if you're not from Atlanta, bro? Atlanta is really the originators of the word twin. So, if anybody else try to take that shit, nigga. Atlanta definitely started that shit. But that's why. But that's why I'm saying this, because I know it's hella niggas that's not from Atlanta that be saying twin. Just from hearing my personal experience. Huh? AJ Mill twin. Yeah, boys. This is my first goddamn POV drive. So hopefully this bitch come out good and how it's supposed to. Jesus Christ. Yo, when I get this M5, bro, oh my fucking God, that bitch gonna be pulling like a bitch. Y'all, that shit gonna be insane. But I ain't gonna cap, bro. Some things have came up lately, and I'm still trying to get M5, but I might have to get a G80 M3 competition instead of the M5 competition. I might have to get an M3 because I might buy a new car. And y'all know, I mean, if y'all know, they do make the M5 still, but the new ones are ass, like, you feel me? It's that hybrid shit. Don't nobody want that hybrid shit, you feel me? So, but they have a new G80 M3, so that could be the route I go instead of the M5, even though I really do want the M5. But who knows? You never know till you know, looking at stupid ass. Stupid ass. Red light, what the fuck? Oh, this shit just pissed me off. Tell y'all boys, goddamn little highway POV, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is what it ain't, you know what I'm saying? But I'm bringing y'all another POV soon. It's probably gonna be at night, we'll see. But I appreciate y'all boys. Y'all boys comment and like the video right now, no cap. Like, do that shit right now before you click off this bit, like, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna get up with y'all boys. No kids, no cap.